with this beautiful morning Tsavo East sunrise, followed by the nice relaxing voices of birds chirping in the background. Not forgetting about the beautiful, exorbitant, go-away bird gracing our lovely morning. This Nature Wednesday, we're talking about the common waterbuck. Going by the scientific name of Cobus ellipsicrinus, this large antler is widely found in sub-Saharan Africa and was described first by an Irish nature lover known as William Ogilvy in 1833. This beautiful grazer is also sexually dimorphic, and as usual, the males are larger than the females. These antelope have been grouped in two varieties, namely the common waterbuck, like what you're seeing right here, and the diffuse waterbuck, which according to IUCN is nearly threatened because of poaching and human disturbance. The male waterbuck is larger and heavier than the females, with the males having a shoulder height of 137 centimeters, while the females reaching a shoulder height of 119 centimeters. The males are typically having a weight of about 198 to 262 kilos, while the females weigh around 161 to 214 kilos. These grazers have a beautiful coat which varies from brown to grey, and the long spiral horns being present only in males, curving backwards. Waterbucks are rather sedentary in nature and live in herds that consist of about 6 to 30 individuals. The males start showing territorial behaviors at the age of 5 years, but are most dominant at the ages of about 6 to 9 years. These beautiful creatures can tolerate dehydration in hot weather, thus inhabit areas close to water sources. They usually breed throughout the year and have a gestation period of about 7 to 8 months, followed by the birth of a single calf, but most of the time the birds are picked during the rainy seasons. Waterbucks are rather slower antelopes in terms of maturity, whereby the males become sexually mature at the ages of 6 and the females reach maturity within the ages of 2 to 3 years. The waterbucks can live up to 18 years in the wild, but in captivity they can go up to 30 years of age. This Nature Wednesday, it's only about short, small videos to show you how beautiful Mother Nature is in terms of location, in terms of beautiful animals. So today we're just showcasing a little short skit about these beautiful creatures, that's the waterbuck. But I promise you, just enjoy them for now. We'll cover more about them in our large videos which come and debut on Fridays. Thank you, my friends.